The 10 rarest birds in the world. Welcome back to Unique Fact, the channel where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're diving into the avian realm to discover the top 10 rarest and most unique birds on our planet. These feathered wonders are not only incredibly rare but also captivating in their appearance and behavior. But before we begin, if you're a bird enthusiast like us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. One, golden pheasant. Our journey begins with the mesmerizing golden pheasant, native to the western forests of China. With their vibrant colors and long, striking tails, these birds are truly a sight to behold. Sadly, there are only about 1,000 to 2,000 of them left in the wild. 2. Cebu flowerpecker. Moving on to the Cebu flowerpecker, found exclusively in the Cebu Islands in the Philippines. These tiny frugivores are known for their four-colored plumage and were once thought to be extinct. Today, only 105 of them remain, and conservation efforts are underway to protect this species. 3. New Caledonian owlet nightjar. Now, let's talk about one of the most mysterious birds on our list, the New Caledonian owlet nightjar. With its unique appearance and enigmatic behavior, this bird has captured the imagination of researchers. Unfortunately, there are less than 50 of them left, and conservation efforts are urgently needed. 4. Imperial Amazon. Our next rare bird is the Imperial Amazon from the Dominican Republic. These parrots are critically endangered, with only about 50 mature individuals remaining due to habitat loss and the impact of Hurricane Maria. They are known for their large size and elusive nature. 5. Blue-eyed ground dove. Now, let's travel to the Cerrado region of Brazil to meet the blue-eyed ground dove. Once thought to be extinct for 75 years, this bird made a surprise comeback in 2015. Its striking blue eyes and unique plumage set it apart from other doves. 6. Kakapo. Our list wouldn't be complete without the kakapo, a nocturnal, flightless parrot native to New Zealand. Despite being comical in flight, these birds are critically endangered, and extensive conservation efforts are underway to save them. 7. Rufous-headed hornbill. Now, let's turn our attention to the rufous-headed hornbill in the Philippines. These birds are known for their unique nesting behavior and casques on their bills. Conservation efforts are making progress in saving this species. 8. New Zealand rock wren. Next up is the New Zealand rock wren, endemic to the South Island of New Zealand. These little birds have faced population declines, but conservation efforts have helped protect them in select areas. 9. Streseman's bristlefront. We now come to one of the rarest birds on Earth, Streseman's bristlefront. Sadly, only one of these birds remains, and the species is at the brink of extinction due to habitat loss. 10. South Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher. Lastly, we have the South Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher, a bird that hadn't been seen in 130 years until recently. This stunning bird faces threats due to habitat loss, and dedicated scientists are working tirelessly to protect it. These birds remind us of the urgent need to protect our planet's biodiversity. By supporting conservation efforts and creating bird-friendly environments, we can help these rare and beautiful creatures thrive once again. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your fellow bird enthusiasts. Thanks for joining, until next time, and keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.